Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Legal B channel. If you are appearing for the RBI Grade B Legal Officer exam on 16th of August 2025, then this video is tailor-made for you. With just 15 days left, now is the time to move away from content-heavy learning and shift into strategic revision, MCQ mastery, and exam readiness. In this video, I'll walk you through a focused, practical 15-day plan that covers both the objective and descriptive sections, helping you consolidate your preparation and maximize your score. Let's start with the golden rule. Don't start any major new acts right now. Your first 7 to 8 days should be all about revising the laws you have already covered. This includes the Constitution, BNS, BSA, Companies Act, Indian Contract Act, LLP, Partnership Act, Sales of Goods Act, your CPC, your BNSS, your Specific Relief Act, SURFACE Act, Banking Regulation Act, and most importantly, the NI Act. Spend at least 1 to 2 hours daily per major act. Revise your own notes, go through important definitions, touch upon the recent amendments and landmark judgments, just the key points. Use mind maps or flashcards to keep your recall sharp. Right now, for the laws or areas you haven't touched yet or find weak, this is not the time to start reading bare acts. Instead, switch directly to MCQ practice. Go for previous year papers and reliable test series. MCQ practice will help you cover facts quickly, and the explanations will sort of bridge your conceptual gaps. So focus on high weightage topics, right? Practice around 300 to 400 MCQs per question. At least solve 300 to 500 MCQs in total over the next 15 days. At iExamB, we get these compendiums of MCQs for almost every act, along with study notes for each and every subject. So if you have not explored it yet, I highly recommend that you do so. Moving on to the next thing, now coming on to the descriptive section, which often decides your final merit. Every day, set aside an hour for this. Instead of diving, into long explanations, revise from summary notes or your, um, one pagers. For every major topic, please prepare around 25 to 30 model answers or answer frameworks. Write short outlines on likely themes like recent reforms in company law, or the incorporation process under the company's law, or a short note on preamble, or the doctrine of, let's say, eclipse, the objectives of Surface Act, or just the principles of natural justice, right? Do not forget to focus on structure, right? You start off with introduction, then you talk about the legal basis, where you talk about where you mention the relevant legal provisions, right? Then the application of that to the facts of the case, if that is provided to you, or if it's not a fact based question, if it is not an application based question, then the analysis of those legal provisions, and finally ending your answer with a proper conclusion, right? Also prepare a list of 15 to 20 likely descriptive topics, and write bullet point notes for each, so that you're not starting from scratch during the exam. Now let's talk mocks. You This is your most important practice tool, right? Which is your mocks, right? Now, especially when I talk about the final stretch of the exam, try to attempt as many mocks as you can. At least attempt 3 full length mock tests that include both your objective and descriptive sections under strict exam conditions. Post mock, review every error. Was it factual? Was it conceptual? Or was it just silly? Revisit those weak areas immediately. This single exercise alone can give you a massive edge over others. Next, arm yourself with the last minute tools. Use one-liners, legal maxims, shortcut notes for important sections, and a quick reference for major case laws. Also, go back to your MCQ and mock error log and make sure you do not repeat the same mistakes in the real exam. Now, very importantly, your mental and physical readiness is equally important. Stick to a balanced routine, study for 7 to 8 hours daily, but take breaks in between. Go for a walk, stretch, hydrate, keep a calm mindset. Also, prepare your exam day strategy, what you will revise, what time you will wake up, how you will pace, sort of each section. It may sound minor, but this prep goes a long way in managing nerves. And what is my final advice? My final advice would be do not waste your time on rare topics or reading the bare acts. Now is not the time to go through the syllabus extensively or elaborately. Instead, practice speedy recall by quizzing yourself or using apps or by giving mocks. And yes, keep your exam kit, your admit card, your ID proof, your stationery ready by 14th day itself. These last 15 days are not about panic, they are about consolidation. Trust your hard work. Do not aim for perfection. Aim for clarity, aim for confidence, aim for smart revision. That's it, guys. If this strategy helped you, do like the video, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. All the very best for your exams. See you in the next one.